Welcome to the Adventure Everest team event. Here is a brief overview of what will shortly be awaiting you. If you have logged in, you will find this overview here. All three roles are merged, and you can control all features from your tablet. For more detailed information about your team or general information, go to the Information panel. There you can choose your language, see your team information, what color you are, what color the others are, and Nawang information. As soon as you have bought some, have a look at the tutorial again or view a general overview of your consumption of resources and the reward for these summit stones. Next, we'll take a look at the backpack. There you will find the summit stones that you have already received, currently 0, and can release items for exchange as soon as they have been purchased in the shop, including Aquacare, if this has been purchased in the shop. Of course, Aquacare can also be used here, and water can be replenished for your team. It is a bit more exciting in the shop than on the other interfaces. Next, we'll take a look at the Everest Basecamp shop. Items can be purchased here and simply added to your basket using the plus and minus. Of course, there is also the possibility of buying goods at the checkout. You can always see how much you have already bought, how much budget you have already spent, how much weight this corresponds to, and what is left. You can also purchase Nawang clues here. Always click on them and see what they're about. The Sherpa, Tashi or Lapka can also be bought here. Once you have bought something, you always get the opportunity to sell back those resources. Just click on the person, and you can return the purchased resources if you realize that they do not meet your wishes. And it's always possible to buy more, as long as there's still budget available. Next, we've got these two arrows. This here is the exchange button. Here you can exchange items with other groups, send exchange requests, and of course also receive exchange requests from other groups. However, exchange is only possible if the goods in the backpack have been released for exchange. You have your exchange offering for this. Here you can decide which goods you want to release for exchange using this plus and minus. Next up is the map. This shows you the way to Everest. The summit is marked with a red flag, and the base camp with an orange tent. And here we have the legend again. What means what? You always have to think as a team. Where do you want to go next? The tracks that are possible for you to walk along are marked in blue. The destination points in green. The current position is shown here at the bottom. You then simply select where you want to go and the flag will appear. This can always be changed during the preparation round. Once a day has been completed, it cannot be changed. That's all the important information already. We'll go to the overview again here. Here you can also see the summit stones that you have already acquired. If a timer is running, which is the case in the individual days and not in the planning phase, it is displayed here. You can also see the weather here as soon as there is any weather. And you can always click on it and also get the weather overview. And here, once again, you have the 3D overview of Everest. You can also see the waypoints again here, and although not as clearly as on the map, you can also catch a glimpse of what there is to experience here. And again, you have the team here, your own team and the other team, in case you get a bit lost on the way to Everest and no longer know exactly where you are. Then you can always press this arrow and you will return to the starting point. That's everything. Good luck!